For many, this Kia sedan is just a way of transportation. But for Isis Wharton, it's an extension of her identity.
I'm proud of my name, I'm proud that it's on my car, and I feel like driving around, it looks cool.
On Friday, Wharton receiving this, a letter from the California DMV regarding her car's personalized license plate.
Dear Isis Wharton, the Department of Motor Vehicles has reviewed its records, and it was determined that personalized license plates, I am Isis, assigned to your Kia contain a configuration of letters that are non-compliant with the requirements of Title 13. It's my little name here.
Wharton purchasing the $50 license plate in 2022 with no issues and has paid a $50 renewal ever since.
I just did my registration a couple months ago, and they didn't say anything then either.
The DMV now says the license plate goes against Section 206 of the California Code of Regulations and allows the agency to refuse plates that associate with anything illegal or violent. Adding, quote, regardless of your intention, the configuration I am ISIS can be construed as I am Islamic State of Iraq and Syria.
When you opened that letter, what was the first emotions reading that?
I was surprised. My first reaction, I was super surprised. I was confused since I've had it for so long. And I was honestly super hurt.
The free speech clause protects people saying their own messages on personalized license plates. And so most likely the DMV is not going to be able to prevent her from saying that.
McGeorge School of Law professor Leslie Jacobs weighed in on the situation, citing that Wharton's license plate is protected under the First Amendment.
Because the United States Supreme Court has said that specialty license plates, those are the ones like Save Lake Tahoe, can be government speech, and maybe the government can prevent people from having specialty license plates, but these are personal license plates.
For now, Wharton is unsure what's next, but like the Egyptian goddess Isis she was named after, her family nurturing with support.
My mom was so upset. She loves my name, and she's always been a big advocate for anyone that's been offended by my name, and so she was the one that was like, you need to do something about that. Like, don't just change it, like, do something about it.
In Sacramento, Denzel Cortez, KCRA 3 News.
The DMV has given Wharton until September 25th to request a hearing, which she says she plans to do. If she doesn't meet that deadline, the DMV letter says it will proceed with canceling those plates and issue regular plates. We did reach out to the DMV for comment, but have not heard back.